Hello everyone, once again I am here with a new topic, pronoun. Pronoun, you can understand pronoun if you know about noun. Noun are naming words. Naming words are called noun. What are naming words? Now the question arises in your mind, what are naming words? The things you can see around you have some names. That particular name is called noun. That particular name is called noun. And the words that are used in place of that noun are called pronoun. For example, Ram is going to market. Ram is going to market. Ram wakes up early in the morning. Ram cleans his room. In these sentences, Ram, we are using Ram many times. To avoid this repetition, we use some word he, like he. So the word he is a pronoun. Like this, we can use she for girls, it for animals, they for plural things. Okay, so these are our pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Now, these are the examples of pronoun: I, my, me, he, she, it, they, myself, itself, whom, that, etc. These are the example of pronoun. Now, I am going to describe the types of the pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are the pronouns that are used instead of persons and things. That pronoun are called personal pronoun. To learn personal pronoun, this is the table. I, my, me. I, my, me for the first person. First person pronoun, I, my, me. And the plural of first person pronoun is we, our, us. Second person pronoun, you, your, you. You, your, you. The first person always is the speaker and the second person always is the listener. And the third person, he, she, it, they, their, their. These are the examples of third person. To whom first person and second person talk about are called third person. जिसके बारे में first person और second person बातें करें, third person. That is called third person. Now, possessive pronoun. Number second, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive means to show position. Position means adhikar. To show position, the words that are used to show position are called possessive pronoun. For example, that doll is mine. That doll is mine. It means it is showing that I have the position of that doll. This book is yours. This book is yours. That house is hers. These are the examples of possessive reflexive pronoun. In reflexive pronoun, the action done by the subject reflects upon the subject itself. those pronouns are called reflexive. For example, I do the work myself. I do the work myself. He does his homework himself. Myself and himself are called reflexive pronoun. Now, as you can see, reflexive pronoun, the same is emphatic pronoun. As you can see, myself, ourselves, herself. The only difference is the emphatic pronoun are used just after the subject. For example, I myself. Emphatic means दबाव देना, किसी चीज पे जोर देना, दबाव देके कहना. I myself, it means जैसे हमने दबाव दिया. I myself do the work. He himself does his homework. He himself does his homework. This is emphatic pronoun, and the difference between reflexive pronoun and the emphatic pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. The pronoun that are used mutual or reciprocal relationship are called reciprocal pronouns. For example, they, do, they help each other. They help each other. The students help in making project one another. These are the examples of reciprocal pronoun. Now, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, the pronoun that are used to combine two sentences are called relative pronoun. For example, this is the girl, this is the girl who got first position. First position in the exam. This is the girl who got first position in the exam. This is the book that you gave me yesterday. These are the examples of relative pronoun. Now come to demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, the pronouns that point out to particular thing is called demonstrative pronoun. For example, this is your car. This word is indicating about your car. So this is demonstrate. Demonstrate means to point out. So this is the example of demonstrative pronoun. That is your house. These are mine. These are my books. Those are trees. Those are trees. So this, that, these, those, such can be used in demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. The pronoun that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronoun. For example, Who broke the slate? Who broke the slate? Who word is interrogative pronoun? What makes you to come here? What makes you to come here? What is interrogative pronoun? Like this: which, whose, whom, to whom do you want to talk? Like this. These are the examples of interrogative pronoun. I have explained emphatic pronoun. I have already explained emphatic pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are the pronouns that are not definite. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that are not definite. Somebody, nobody, everyone, all, one, anyone, someone are the example of indefinite pronoun. Somebody, for example, somebody has come to meet you. Somebody, like this, these words are also indefinite pronoun. Somebody, nobody, everyone, all, etc. Distributive pronoun. The pronouns that are used to describe the categories of the persons and places and things are called distributive pronoun. For example, each boy should contribute for the relief fund. Each, like this, neither will go to market, neither will go to market during lockdown. So these are the examples of distributive pronoun. I hope you will understand the topic. Thank you.